If you just leaked your Stripe API keys, you need to fix this immediately before unauthorized charges hit your account. Let's jump straight into your Stripe dashboard to secure your data. Go ahead and click on Developers in the bottom left corner, and then select API Keys from the submenu. Your first priority is to locate the exact key that was exposed, whether it is a test key or a live secret key. Once you spot it, do not just delete it. Look to the right side of the key configuration, click on the three dots, and select Rotate Key. The system will prompt you with an expiration window, and you should choose to expire it immediately. Rotating the key is the safest move because it revokes the old, compromised key instantly and automatically generates a fresh replacement for you right on the spot. Now, the important thing to remember is that the moment you rotate that key, any live application or website relying on the old string will immediately lose its connection to Stripe and throw errors. To prevent major downtime, you need to move fast. Copy your new secret key and open up your production environment. You need to replace the old, leaked key string with this new one in all of your codebase files, your server environment variables, and your deployment configurations. After pasting the new key, make sure to restart your applications completely so they pull in the fresh configuration. With your systems back online, your final step is to audit your account for any damage. In your dashboard, navigate back to Developers and click on Logs. Take a close look at the recent API requests made with the compromised key. You want to thoroughly review recent charges, pending refunds, and sudden account changes for anything unusual or unfamiliar. Catching unauthorized activity early allows you to contact support and mitigate losses.